Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an awesome day. It is time for another beauty video. So yeah guys, it is that time again for another beauty video. Again, just a little reminder, I am going to be posting both bullet journal videos and beauty videos because I don't want to stop doing either. So if you guys like one or the other, then do bear with because they will be coming. Just need to find time to do both, so bear with. So yeah, this week's video is a little tutorial on this look here. I kind of started doing it and I was like, right, okay, we're going to add a little bit pink, then a bit of blue, then a bit of orange and all this, and it all just happened so quickly. And yeah, I kind of like how it turned out though. That's what this video is, and it's kind of like a little kind of, no, not a review, I'm not really reviewing the product, but it's the first time I've ever used this product on my channel, so that's quite exciting. The palette that I used to create this look, mostly I used one colour from a different palette, but you'll see that later on. Most of the look was made with the Morphe 35B palette. The new packaging is so nice, honestly. I opened it, I was like, ooh, new packaging. That's what the palette looks like. How amazing is that? I was kind of like, last week I was doing, ow, I pinched myself. Last week I was doing a look and I kind of really wanted a yellow to smoke it out a little bit more and make it a bit more kind of bright and vivid. I don't have a yellow and I was like, I've been meaning to get this palette for ages. Do it. I just did it and I ordered it, and I ordered a new brush as well, so I got free next day delivery and my bank account is suffering, so that's how this came about basically. I wanted to do a look on my channel with it and this is what it came out, like, kind of thing. Like, I really like how it turned out, so that's good. Before we get into the video, if you do like this kind of content, then do click the subscribe button down below. It's down there or in that corner or that corner, one of them. There's many ways you can subscribe and I would be forever grateful if you did. So yeah, fingers crossed. I'm hoping to hit 1,000 subscribers very soon. It's slowly going up and I just really want to hit 1,000 subs because that would literally mean the world to me. And yeah, so if you guys want to help me get there, then just click that subscribe button down below. If you guys want to see how I created this look with my eyeballs, then do keep on watching. So I have one eye on. I kind of just practiced on this eye and then I'm going to literally just do exactly the same I did on this eye on this eye. So first up, I'm going to take this kind of grey purple colour and put that through the crease. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit so you can really see what I'm doing. So I'm just going to take that and put it through the crease. So next up, I'm going to take the colour next to that, so that bright purple, and just build that up into the crease. This palette is so pigmented and I am in love. And then with the same brush, but it's a different, like it's a cleaner one, I'm going to go in with the hot pink in the palette there, and I'm just going to go over the edges. Can you see where this is a bit more pink? And I'm just going to kind of buff it out a little bit more. So there you have the kind of pink hue to it. Next I'm going to go in with the shimmery blue in the palette, so this one down at the bottom here, and I kind of get it on a flat brush. These are quite creamy anyway, but I always like to spray it with some Fix Plus just to kind of get that colour popping. So just spray it with a little bit of setting spray, it doesn't really matter which one you use. And then I'm basically going to just cut that crease with it, and then we'll add the glitter in it in a second. See, it's so pigmented, it's amazing. There we go, so you can see this is a little bit of a lighter blue than this one. I'll show you what I did to that in just a second. I'm just going to blend some more purple into the crease quickly. So to brighten up that blue colour, I used the Urban Decay Heavy Metals palette. This is from their holiday collection, and I'm using the colour Glam Rock, which is this really nice silver colour in the corner. And I'm just getting some of that on my brush. And again, Fix Plus, a little bit of that, and I'm just really lightly patting it over the top of that. And then, I don't know how much it's picking up on camera, but I've got a very thin line of glitter going along the cut crease there. And it is the Urban Decay Heavy Metals Glitter Liner in the colour Distortion. This is my absolute favourite because it's like got that kind of greeny kind of glitter to it, and I love that. So I'm literally just going to take a little bit of this, and it's not colouring the whole eye, it's literally just going in a kind of C shape around the cut crease. So next up is under the eye. I literally just took a mixture of the bright orange and the bright yellow and run that under the eye. You're probably thinking like, Tish, what are you doing? Like orange, purple, blue, what are you doing? I don't know. I couldn't tell you. And then for a little bit of liner in the waterline, I used the Estée Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Eye Pencil in the shade Teal. I lost the lid of this, so it's gone really kind of dry. Oh, I've just realised the lid is on the other end. Oh my gosh. So I do have the lid, but it hasn't been on there for a little while, so it's a little bit dry. But we're just going to hope and pray that my eyes can deal with it. Before I put my lashes on, I just want to take the black in this palette, in the 35B, on a little tiny angled brush and go right along my lash line on the top, just to kind of mask where the lashes are going to get stuck, basically. For mascara today, I'm using the Estée Lauder Sumptuous Infinite Mascara. This is my favourite mascara at the moment. I go through a lot of the Estée Lauder ones and a lot of drugstore ones, and this is the one I've come back to at the moment. So I'm just going to coat my lashes with that. And so for lashes today, I have popped on the Primark ones. I'm not too sure what their style is, but it's the ones from the luxury range that come in like little gold and silver packaging, and I love these, so I need to go and get some more. So keep your eyes in the don't keep both of your eyes, keep an eye on the description box below, and I will put in there once I've got some new ones as to what these ones are, because I want to get these ones again, and fingers crossed they'll still have them, but that range is amazing. So that's the lashes I'm going to be putting on today. Just wait for the glue to dry a little bit. So for my face today, I'm literally going to kind of whiz through it. I'm going to do kind of fast, what's it called? Fast motion? It's called fast motion? I don't know. Like speed it up basically, so you guys don't get bored with how long it takes to apply my foundation. But yeah, I'm going to show you all the products that I'm using as I'm using them, so you're not going to miss out too much. Here we go. So there we have it, guys. That is the end of this week's video. I hope you really did enjoy it. I love this look that I've created. I never really wear kind of blues and purples, but I really like how it turned out, so that's good. And I haven't worn my Jeffree style highlighter in such a long time, and I don't know why, because it is so nice. It looks like really dewy skin, which I really love. I'm like catching myself in all the mirrors around my room like, who dare? If you guys did enjoy this video, please click that like button down below. That would really help me out and make me a very, very happy little bean. being a little happy bean. It makes my day when I see that I've got likes on a video, so just click that like button if you did enjoy the video. If you guys want to see any other reviews or anything like that, like I know the Makeup Revolution concealer's just come out. If you guys want to see a review on that or anything like that, do just let me know down in the comments down below and I will do that for you. Like I said at the beginning of the video, if you like this kind of content or like organisation, bullet journal type content, then do click that subscribe button down below. At the moment I'm trying to post 2 videos a week, but with timings and stuff like that, sometimes that doesn't happen. But fingers crossed we'll get into a routine and I will be posting 2 videos a week, 1 bullet journal, 1 beauty. Fingers crossed for that. All the products that I used today will be listed down below along with my social media links and everything like that, so you can find me on Instagram and Twitter. I would love for you to come and follow me and see my makeup looks and whatnot. It would be really nice for you to join me, so come along. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and hopefully, fingers crossed, I will see you in the next video. Bye!